Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. Y'all know I'm all about cooking easy meals. Meals I can put in the freezer. And leftovers and stuff like that. Let me show you another quick meal my mom used to make. Of course, it wasn't none left over, but she used to make. Y'all remember these pasta shells here? Oh, my God. I love these things. The reason I love them so much, they my childhood. Number two, all that meat goes all down into them crevices, and it just like every bite has some meat sauce in it, tomato sauce. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna make a big pot of this, y'all. I'm using actually 2 pounds of meat. The recipe probably calls for 1 pound, but I'm going big time, y'all. I'm using 2 pounds of meat. So anyway, y'all, very simple. You see me make spaghetti sauce before. Over to my reliable Dutch oven here. I got my hot on. I can't even talk today, y'all. Can't talk. All right. I got my heat on here. What I want to do, I want to cook these onions down pretty much till they translucent, because I don't like a crunch in my spaghetti sauce. I just don't like it. I like everything pretty much smooth. So I want my onions nice and, well, it don't take long to cook this spaghetti sauce at all. I want my onions nice and translucent and tender. So it's going to take about 5-6 minutes to get them like that. And we'll be right back there at the ground meat. Just so easy to put together. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. And y'all see I got my pasta pot heating up back there for my pasta. And y'all know I like to have my sauce ready. So when the pasta come off, all I gotta do is throw the pasta right in the water. Okay, we're gonna throw our ground meat in there. Get all browned off. We're gonna get it brown off, then we're gonna drain it. Like I say, y'all, I'm using extra meat in mine. The recipe calls for 1 pound. I would like me a meaty pasta. Now I'm gonna go ahead, y'all. I don't have no regular garlic, so I'm gonna put some granulated garlic in there. It's gonna be really, really garlicky. Now that's granulated garlic. It's not garlic salt, y'all. There's a big difference. Okay, get that browned up. Smelling good already. Smelling good already, y'all. I like a good, strong, thick meat sauce. Go with some pasta. All you need some garlic bread with it. Shoot. It's on. So again, y'all, I'm gonna kind of step off here a little. Let this get all brown, completely brown. Then I'm gonna drain it if it needs drain. Some ground meat, like this is 80-20 blend. Doesn't need to be drained as much as some others. So you'll see what comes off of here. How much oil is in this thing before I commit to draining it off. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, I am back here. I'm about to lose the camera here. Okay, like I was telling y'all, all ground meat's not created equal. And I got a little liquid in here, y'all, but it's not enough to drain. I looked on the package. This is actually a 90-10 blend, which is very little liquid in there. So I don't have to drain this one. I'm gonna just add my tomato powder. Okay, first thing I'm gonna add, tomato puree. You can use ground tomato if you want to. Tomato sauce. So I'll sit around in there. Say tomato puree. See that? Add a little tomato puree in there. We're gonna add some diced tomatoes in here. Get that all mixed up in there. Oh yeah. Get that all mixed up in there, y'all. And y'all see how loose that is, y'all? That's what I do not want. And y'all know my secret of thickening tomato sauce up. Giving this some body. This right here, tomato paste. We're gonna watch how it's gonna change the whole consistency and complexion of this sauce, y'all. A lot of people never use tomato paste. They don't know what it is, what it's used for. It's just a natural thickener. That's all it is. It's a natural thickener for your soups and sauces, especially like tomato sauce. So we're gonna work this in. Then we'll add some salt and pepper to this. I gotta add a little sugar to compact the bitterness. The tomato paste is very bitter. So we're gonna add a little sugar to kind of compact that. Oh yeah, look at this, y'all. It's nice, pretty sauce. As that tomato paste works itself in, and you can see how pretty that's becoming. And red and thick. Okay, now I know I need some sugar in here. Just by experience, y'all. Just by experience. And it's not gonna taste sweet, y'all. It's gonna compact the bitterness. Now, I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper in here. There we go. Stir this up. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Oh, yeah, this is on point, y'all, like they say. On point. Okay. Stir this up in here. Let me turn this down. A little bit more salt and pepper. I think they should do it with this. Like I say, it will pop at you, so turn it down while you're getting this process done. Okay, let's taste this again, y'all. See what we got here. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That's it, y'all. So while that's cooking down, about 2 or 3 more minutes, and about really, really low, we're going to go back here to my pasta water. And all I'm going to do, we're going to add our pasta shells to this. So this is 1 pound of pasta shells, y'all. 1 pound of pasta shells here. Let me get my spoon here and kind of move them around. And my water is salted, y'all. I got really, really good salted water there. That's very important to cook it in salted water. That way your pasta has a lot of flavor. Okay, back here to the sauce. Look how pretty that sauce is, y'all. Look how thick and rich and big body this sauce is. See that? I'm gonna let this simmer about 5-6 more minutes. You know, while that pasta back there cooking. Cause like I told you, I like my sauce to be waiting on my pasta. I don't like to make my pasta. It's sitting over there, sticking together, getting cold, and I'm trying to make the sauce. So always make your sauce first, have it ready, and then when your pasta's ready, all you gotta do is dump it right into the sauce, and you good to go. See that? So we're gonna step off, let our pasta continuously get cooking to get ready. We're gonna come back and put this together. This is an easy meal. I'm gonna freeze half of this in low packages. So when I want some pasta with meat sauce, I got it ready already. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. All right, y'all, these shells are ready. Now there's a thin line, y'all, with these shells, because if you cook them too long, these shells are gonna split and break open on you. And that's what you do not want. So what I'm gonna do, put y'all here on the meat sauce. I'm gonna move this pasta and drain it. And we're gonna pour the pasta right into the meat sauce here. See how pretty that meat sauce is, y'all? See how pretty that meat sauce is? Okay, draining my pasta here. Make sure you get all the water out of there. You don't want to water down your sauce. Okay, we're gonna pour that right in there. Just like that, y'all. Now, let me get the right spoon for the job here. Get my metal spoon here where I can get down in there. My long spoon. My long handle spoon there. See how that pasta's not broke up. It's just cooked just enough, right? The thin line before it's totally cooked. I'll take it off because you know what's gonna happen. it's still cooking as it goes into that hot sauce. Hot meat sauce. See that? See that, y'all? And it's soaking up all that meat sauce, too. As you can see, look at that big old pot of, what I call it, big old pot of goodness. Big old pot of goodness, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. You can feed, I'm telling you, you can feed a family that's 4 easily and have leftovers. And definitely have leftovers, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Big old pot of goodness. You get you some garlic bread or just some regular light bread, a little butter on there. Shoot. That's all it is right there. So I'm going to step off, y'all. Get cleaned up here a little, and then I'm going to come back with a plate and prove to y'all how good these pasta shells and meat sauce is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. All right, y'all. Check this out. Look at this, y'all. And I didn't tell y'all this whole pot of the meat sauce. The 2 pounds of ground meat I got was about $2.50 a pound, about $5. And then the pasta costs $1 a bag. This is less than $10 with the tomato products. They're $1 a can, whatever. Yeah, so less than $10, you can feed your whole family. Where can you go to a restaurant, go to fast food, and feed your family for less than $10? Like I say, get you some bread with this. Throw you some canned vegetables with this. Shoot, you got a meal. I tell you, people, with the times going on, it's going to be later this year before the food prices kind of, I told y'all last year, it's going to be October, November 2023 before the food prices stable off. And people didn't believe in it now, and the people come, Jeff, you're right. I know the food industry. I've been working in the food industry so long. I've been working behind the scenes in the food industry for about 17 years, knowing the price, where the food comes from, and all that, like this Beyond. I'm going to do a whole video. And this Impossible Meat and Beyond Meats. Me and Tyrone need to get on together and tell y'all about that. Stop eating that stuff, y'all. How you make plants taste like meat. It's artificially man-modified to make it like that. Meaning you got to add certain chemicals and things like that to make it like that. People don't realize you're killing yourself slowly with that Impossible Meats and Beyond Meat. Stop it. Stop it. But anyway, if you're going to eat some, if you don't like meat, why you want something that tastes like meat? It doesn't make any sense anyway. So, enough preaching on that. Like I say, check this out here, right here, y'all. Okay, let's go in here. Let's go in here, y'all. Look at this here. Look at that. Y'all take a bite. Can you zoom in on you? Come on, a little bit more, a little bit closer. There we go. Let's try that. Oh, Lord, I will knock my camera over. All right, Kenneth. Kenneth, you made me do that, buddy. Oh, my goodness. Perfectly cooked. Like I say, the pasta's perfectly cooked. See how the pasta's perfectly cooked, y'all? And not breaking apart. If you overcook pasta shells, they're going to start breaking apart and splitting on you. There's a thin line between they're ready and you overcook them. Like I say, I like how that meat sauce get in the middle of them shells. Oh my God. I tell you, y'all, get you some garlic bread. I'm fighting. We in this tripod, we fighting today. Dylan will be back in a few days. Let him fight with it. But, yeah. Y'all get you some, what was I saying? I very rudely interrupted myself. And yeah, get you some garlic bread and some kind of vegetables to go with it. You got a full meal here, guys. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.